Hi guys, I'm Vizentinis from Methodio. In this video lesson, I will show you an easy way to install all the necessary packets and platforms from Android SDK Manager, and I will show you how to create an emulator from Virtual Device Manager in Eclipse. Double click Eclipse to start Android Developer Tools. Click OK to workspace, but remember the path of the workspace, the path that you have. And Eclipse is loading now, and here it is. Now we will go in this icon, Android SDK Manager. We can click it. I have already installed all the available packages, but I will show you the way. It's very easy. You can do it by yourselves. I have already installed all of these packages with the AP levels. You can do the same. When you've finished all this, contain extras too, then you are ready. Click the X to close the window, and then we can go to Android Virtual Device Manager to set up an emulator. We can set up the emulator very easy. We can go to device definitions here and check one of the known device definitions. This can later be used to create an Android virtual device. We will do it now. Let's say we want Nexus 1. Select Nexus 1, create AVD. And I think that we have to change the target. The target depends to the target that you will use when you start to develop your application. So I think that it's better if we use AP level 8, Google AP level 8, and we will see it later. Click OK, and the emulator is ready. We can now start the emulator to see if it's working. Click launch and wait to see the emulators. And when we start creating the application into Eclipse, it's appropriate to have the emulator open. So every time we make something and we want to use to see if it works or not, we can have open the emulator, so we don't have to wait so much time for the emulator to start up. And now we can close the window. The emulator is still opening. As the emulator start ups, we can make a simple project. Then we can try to run the application in the emulator, on the emulator. We can make the project from file, new project. If you know, if you don't, you can listen to me and see how we can do it. We can go to other. If you don't have here the Android application project, you can go to other and select from here Android application project in the folder Android. If it is like this, we can open the Android folder and click Android application project. Click next, and we can write here the application name. We can name it test in English. The application name is shown in the Play Store, as well in the Manager application list in settings. The project name, we can keep it the same. Packet name, we can use our domain name into between com and test. You can use your own. It has to be unique. Here is the minimum required SDK target that we need. It's AP8. We will see it later. We accept all the items. The start icon will be this one, and we create a blank activity. Okay, next. We keep it the same, click finish. The Eclipse will do all the work for us. The application is ready, and we can right click to the name of the application and click to run as Android application. We can we can choose the running application. You see the running virtual device here. We select it, click OK, and we will see if it's run or not. We'll see a mistake here, failure to install test app on device emulator, timeout, launch cancelled. So we will close the emulator and we will try to run as again from here. Open the Android device chooser. If the device chooser is not open, I think that I make a change here from run configurations. Select the test application from here, launch the application, and in the target you will select always prompt to pick a device. Then run, and every time you try to run an application, the Android device chooser will appear to you. Now we have to start again, to launch again the Android virtual device. We select it from here. We can click OK, or we can start the emulator first and then we can select it from here. Start the emulator from here again, and then when the emulator open, we will select it from the. Now we can select from choose a running Android device the emulator. I think it's OK. We click OK, and we see here uploading test application onto device emulator. What's going on here? I think now it's ready. We can drag the locket icon to unlock the emulator. It's running late, and now we can run it again. And that's it, the program is running in our emulator, so we are ready to continue with creating Android application, Android games, and all that sweet stuffs. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you again. Have a good day.